y equals log base 1/2 of x. I'm going to pick the exact same x values this time because, again, anything that's a power of 2 is also going to be a power of 1/2. So these are going to work out nicely. So log base 1/2 of 1/8 is 1/2 to what power is 1/8, and that's 3. 1/2 to what power is 1/4 is 2. 1/2 to the power of 1 is 1/2. 1/2 to the power of 0, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. 1/2 to the power of -1, it flips. So that's why it's 2. 1/2 to the power of -2 is 4, and 1/2 to the power of -3 is 8. Now I'm going to plot these points. Again, do the best you can with the 1/8, 1/4, 1/2. 1, 2, 4, and 8 are easier to plot. And again, the y-axis, you can kind of tell it's getting close there, is the asymptote. And so we get the vertical asymptote at x equals 0, which is the y-axis. And we can plot this or draw this line in. We'll just sketch it in. It follows the y-axis up, and then it takes off to the right down below. So anytime the base is between 0 and 1, it's always going to come down the y-axis and take off, or come down the asymptote and take off to the right. All the logs are always going to shoot off to the right. The domain this time is x is greater than 0, and the domain for basically any log is always x is greater than whatever the asymptote is, and the range is all real numbers.